for today, we will start with same warm up and then we will do sun salutation B, second type of sun salutation, then one round of moon salutation and followed by breathing. So let's start with warm up. Sit straight. Start with your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Ankle. Do inhale. With exhalation, ankle down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Now rotation, inhale, exhale. 3 times clockwise, anti-clockwise. 2 and 3. Anti-clockwise, 1. While you are rotating your ankle, you just adjust your posture so that your spine is straight, not back like this. And you can put your palm on the side of your thighs. 3. Now next joint is our knee. So hold your right knee and just do big rotation, 3 round clockwise, anti-clockwise. 1, 2. So the foot which we are rotating, that toe should be straight. And the foot which is resting on the mat, it should be up. So this is called active, where you are, where your toe is up. 2, 3. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2 and 3. Now knee stretching. Hold your foot from the sole and with spine straight. Take it up, look up, hold 10. Feel the stretch from your ankle to your hamstring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Release. Left foot 3 times clockwise. 1, 2 and 3. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2 and 3. Now hold the sole of your foot. Hold up to 10. While I am counting, you keep focusing on deep inhalation and exhalation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Just shake your feet. Now next one is our wrist. So place your thumb inside, make a fist and rotate 3 times clockwise, anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Anti-clockwise. 1. Arm fully stretched. 2 and 3. Elbow. 1. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Sidewise 3 times. Inhale. When you are opening your body, exhale. When you are contracting like this, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now 3 times shoulder rotation. 1, 2. Make a all these microcirculation exercise you can do with closed eyes, and while if your eyes are closed, focus on the body part where you are stretching. 2 and on your breathing. 3. Relax. Just shake them. Shoulder. Now neck rotation 3 times clockwise, anti-clockwise. Right. Left. 1. Do with your own pace. 2. 3. Anti-clockwise. 1. 2. relax. Today is Saturday, so we can take a little bit extra liberty for eye exercise for 1 minute. So place your arm parallel to your shoulder. You look straight, and with the straight, now take your eyeball right side. So try to see your thumb without moving your neck. Take it left 5 times. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Last, right, left. Up and down. Your gaze will be straight. Just move your eyeball up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Oblong, right up, left down 3 times. Right up, left down, right up, left down. Opposite, left up, right down, left up, right, left, right. Last, place your thumb just in front of your eyes. Just look for 20 seconds while I'm counting. Keep looking to your thumb or any other point just in front of your eyes, like in the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we are done with the first part, microcirculation or joint movement. You can shake your feet. And now let's go to the second part of stretching. First, we will start with a butterfly for our hip opening. So bend both knees. Place your feet close to your pelvic, spine erect, look straight, and according to your capacity, swing your knees. If those who find it difficult, they can always put some cushion or pillow below your knees to get support. I'm counting up to 30. 1. Try to keep your eyes closed and focus on the stretching. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You keep doing inhalation, exhalation. Whenever I say in yoga, normal inhalation, exhalation, it is always like a deep inhalation, deep slow breath in, deep slow breath out. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 30. Just press your knee little bit. According to your level, press it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release your feet. Just shake them. Now, second stretching. Just bend your knee, both knees. Place your palm just outside your thighs. Inhale. With exhalation, bring both knees towards left and your head right side. Hold here up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, center. Then exhale, knee right side and your head left side. Hold 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 2 times in flow without counting. Knee left, knee right, always knee and head opposite side. Knee left, knee right. And release your feet. Next is spinal twisting plus warm up. So stretch your feet. Place your right foot outside of left knee. Inhale, With exhalation, bend towards your left side so that your chin is on the mat or your nose. Return back, opposite sides. So place your left foot outside of right knee, bend towards right side. And back. 2 more times. Right, left. Last, left. Sorry, my right and your left sometimes. This is right. And done. Shake your feet. Now next we will do little bit inversion today. Inversion is very good so that your blood circulation goes to your upper body parts. So we will do 2 rounds of 4 posture. So let's start with first so that you will know. After that we will do sun salutation. First one we will do sitting forward bend or Paschimottanasana. Inhale. After full inhale, slowly bend from a lower waist, not from a spine. So with lower waist, only bend as much as you can bend. Either you can hold your toes or your ankle and look straight. Straight. Now do deep inhalation, exhalation while I am counting up to 10. 1, 2, 3. If you are not able to hold full, you can try to keep your hand as much as possible. You can even use a belt to hold. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Exhale. Place your palm outside your thighs and slowly come to the raised leg position, 90 degree. Raised leg position, 90 degree. Hold here up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep doing it. Deep inhalation, exhalation. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here you have 2 options. One, first we will do shoulder stand, deeper inversion. So those who can do, just support your back with your palm and take your body weight on shoulder. But if you are not able to do this, just remain on raised leg position with the support of wall. Hold here up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now again, slowly with the support of your palm, come on the raised leg position. Up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now last, from here we will transition to the boat pose. So slowly with the support of your palm, come on the boat pose. This is last, and hold here. Those find it difficult to get balance like this, they can place their palm on the mat, hold 10, look straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. So these were 4 postures. They constitute one small flow. We will repeat one more time. For the new one, there is another option of the shoulder stand. If you are not able to do, just check it. So what you do, just come close to your wall like this, and slowly raise your feet to the wall as much as possible, so that your shoulder and upper body part is on the mat, other is up. So this is also second variation of shoulder stand. You can be like this. Okay. Let's start the second round of the same flow. Just normalize your breath. Close eyes, normal Dandasana. Place your palm near to your knee. Take 2 deep breaths in and out. Microphone is not muted, please mute it. Now get ready for second round of the small flow. Focusing on inversion first. Sitting forward bend, Paschimottanasana. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale and slowly bend from your lower back, not from spine. And bend as much as you can go. Hold either big toe, hold ankle, or keep your hand like this. Hold 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Exhale. Now second, slowly take transition for 90-degree raised leg posture. This one I think everybody can do. Hold 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now next to the transition to the shoulder stand. So try to push your thighs and buttock up, little up, and according to your capacity, remain here. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you do like this, you will feel like a sweating because your blood is fast, very fast, in the fast speed coming from your feet to your neck area. 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, slowly, with the support of your palm, come on 90 degree, hold up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now get ready to take transition for boat pose. So place your palm on the mat and bring your upper body up, feet down. Take the position for boat. 1, 2, 3. Boat pose is very good for abdominal fat reduction. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And relax. Okay, so now we are done with our some stretching. Now next one is sun salutation B. So for this, everybody stand and come in front of your mat. We did sun salutation B on Thursday. I'm sorry, I forget to post the video. I thought I would shoot a video, but maybe I will go slow on the first round. So those who are not there, sun salutation, traditional sun salutation has a 12 step. But we are doing another type of Hatha Yoga sun salutation A, which has only 9 steps, but 1 or 2 steps are little advanced. And I will also tell you variation if you are not able to do advanced one. So come in front of your mat around 6 to 8 feet. Normalize your breath fully. So start. Inhale, raise both arms to the side of your shoulder. Stretch. This is we are preparing our body stretch. Exhale and bring it to the heart central or like a prayer pose. Now we will do first step of sun salutation A. Inhale, both arms up. Stretch your body but don't go on your heel. Just your feet on the mat. Take your upper arm beside your ear. Stretch here. Stretch, hold 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With exhalation, bend from your lower back. Slowly bend. You can place your palm on the mat and finger on the mat. You can hold your ankle. Or if you want to bend your knee a little bit, that is also okay. Try to do forward bend, hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next transition is half forward bend or half lift. So place your palm below your knee, your trunk 90 degree with your feet. Hold 5. This is Uttanasana B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now next is plank pose, and that is the difference from the normal sun salutation. So first place your palm on the mat, right foot back, left foot back, high plank. But in this sun salutation we will not stay long in high plank, we will just transition to the low plank. This is called Chaturanga Dandasana, low plank. Those who are not able to do this, you place your knee on the mat. Beginner or those who find it difficult, like this. From your low plank, the new thing is upward facing dog. So what you will keep? You will keep your feet on the mat and your knee up. It is like a cobra pose, but your knee is up. This is called upward facing dog. Hold here. Still, if you don't find it comfortable, keep your knee on the mat and remain like this. Hold, hold, hold. Now, exhale, tuck your toes, downward facing dog. So, difference in downward facing dog and mountain is, in mountain you keep your feet together, but in downward facing dog, your feet is hip distance apart and you look towards the navel area. Look navel area. If you are not able to place your heel on the mat, just keep stretching like this. Hold here. 3 normal breath in and out. I am not counting, just inhale, exhale. Now bring your right foot front, left foot front and half forward bend. So we will do reverse order, half forward bend. Your trunk is 90 degree to your feet. Hold here. From here, full forward bend. So place your palm on the mat as much as possible. My spine is also rigid, not very flexible. So I am also not able to bend very well. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. Stretch both arm, upper arm on the beside of ear. Stretch your body. Look up. Look up. Exhale. Some relax. So this was first part of sun salutation A. We will repeat same. Second part, because in yoga sun salutation is always in the combination. First you do with the right side, then left side. Just normalize your breath and we will do second round. Now come in front of your mat, inhale, both arms up, stretch. This time we will not go to prayer pose, that was just startup. Stretch your body, look up. Hold 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale slowly, slowly with your thigh area. Full forward bend. Try to keep your spine straight as much as possible. Hold 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now half lift. Place your palm near your knees. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now get ready for plank, but this time you will put left foot first back, left back, right back, high plank, but very soon we will come on the low plank or Chaturanga Dandasana. Hold here up to 5 or place your knee on the mat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now those who can do upward facing dog. Hold 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those find it very difficult, upward facing dog, please do cobra. Now tuck your toes, downward facing dog. Try to keep your gaze towards the navel area. Push your heels more and more towards the mat until they touch the mat. Your body is like inverted V shape. Do 3 deep normal breath in and out. If you're finding it difficult, you inhale by nose, exhale by mouth like this. And now take your left foot front, right front, full forward bend. Hold 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is half lift. Hold, look straight, turn 90 degree to your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. Stretch, stretch, exhale, jump. Well done. So this is we are done with the sun salutation A, one full round. Now in the same standing posture, just relax your breath. You can close your eyes. Let me see the time. Okay. Now we will do one round of moon salutation. So moon salutation is sun salutation, warm up our body. It is excellent to do in the morning, and moon salutation said to be to cool down our body. But since mostly moon salutation people prefer more in the evening, but otherwise since here we are doing only morning class and weather is not that cool, so we can do in the morning also. So let's start moon salutation one round. Those who are new, I will try to go slow. So in moon salutation, I am keeping my back towards camera because direction in moon salutation is sometimes confusing. So if I keep my back towards camera, my right will be your right, my left will be your left. So just follow this step. So moon salutation, come in the right side of your mat. Start from right side and left side. Come in the right side of your mat, both your feet together. First time I am doing slow, second time little medium speed. Inhale, both arms up, up. Hug your both palms, stretch your body, stretch, look straight, hold 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, bend towards left side. So without only lateral bend, not forward, not backward. Just lateral bend so that you feel the stretch on your waist. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to center. Exhale, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, center. Exhale, release. Now next is, get ready for goddess's pose. Take your left foot up. Bring it toward the left side. Bend your knee. Elbow 90 degree. Goddess's pose. Hold 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release your knee. Release your arm. Now get ready for triangle pose. So what you do? Your left foot 90 degree like this. Right 45 degree. Both arms parallel to your shoulder. Inhale, take your right arm up, left down, and triangle pose with your left side. So check your alignment. So both of your arms in one line, look up, hold 10. 1. If your arm is not reaching up to ankle, try to stretch more according to your comfort level. Don't overstretch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Place your right palm on your waist and stand. Now in moon salutation, we are moving towards left side. So we will do half moon pose left side. So your left knee 90 degree. Inhale, raise up, look on your thumbs. This is called half moon pose. Hold here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, place your palm on the mat and sit on your left side like this. If somebody has a problem in knee or find it difficult, you can sit like this for a moment. Like this. So with this, we are in the just middle of our moon salutation. Now everything will be in the reverse order as we started. Now from here, sit on your right side. Like this. Now everything is reversed. We will do right side half moon pose. So right foot 90 degree, left on the mat. Inhale, straight up, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the support of your palm and stand. Now right side triangle. So right foot 90 degree, left 45 degree. Both arm on the side of your shoulder. Inhale and move towards your right ankle. Check your alignment, body in one line, look up, hold tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your right, your left palm on your waist. Stand up. Take the position for goddesses. As we started, we are doing reverse now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release your knee. Release your arm. Now, bring your left foot, right foot towards the left side. So we started with right. Now we will move towards left and we will repeat same how we started. Inhale, up. Stretch your arm. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Center, exhale, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, center, exhale, release. So with this, we have done half round of moon salutation. So half round means we started with right, we ended left. Now I will start with left and right. This will be one complete round of moon salutation. So before we do second half, just normalize your breath. Okay, so get ready for second and last round of moon salutation. Those new, you may feel it today complicated or confusing, but don't worry, after 2 or 3 class, you will, your brain will remember the sequencing. So you come on the left side of your mat, inhale, both arms up. Stretch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, bend left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center, exhale. Now everything we will do from left to right. So bring the right foot up. Bring it towards right side. Goddesses, hold 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release your elbow, release your knee. Now right side triangle, so right foot 90 degree, left 45 degree. That means your toes are towards right side. Your arm parallel to your shoulder. Triangle right side. When in the final posture, just normal breathe, look up. Your both arm in one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Place your palm on your waist to get support so that you don't get injury. Now stand up and then right side half moon pose. So right knee 90 degree, left on the mat. You can place cushion below your knee if you need support. Inhale, up, hold 5. 1, look on the thumb. 3, 4, 5. From here, your palm on the mat and sit on the right side. So this one is halfway of second round. From here, everything will be in reverse order. Slowly, slowly, with the support of a palm, come on the left side. Now, left side, half moon pose. So, left knee 90 degree. Inhale, up. Hold 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Palm on the mat. Get ready for left side triangle. So right, left foot 90 degree, right 45 degree. Arm parallel to shoulder. Inhale. Up. Hold 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Palm on your waist. Release and take the position for goddess's pose. For goddess's pose, your heel outward, toes inward, bend knee, bend elbow, hold 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release your knee, release your arm. Take your left foot toward the right side. And as we started, inhale, move arm up. Take it to the left. Center. Take it to the right. Center. And release. So well done. Close your eyes and lie down on your mat on the supine position. So now just you reserve break of 2 minutes. So everybody lie down on your mat, which is we call corpus pose or shavasana. So you place your palm outside of your thighs. Your palm can be half open. Your both foot hip more than hip distance apart. Eyes loosely closed. Do not strain your face muscles. Just focus on your breath. Now you will make focus to relax each and every body part from the toe of your foot to your head or your eyes and each and every body part. Just relax each and every body part. Start maybe with your closed eye, you start looking on your body part. Start with your toes, fingers of your feet. Then with your closed eyes, look your ankle, your calf muscles, knees, your thighs, your hips, your pelvic area, abdomen, chest, shoulder, neck, chin, teeth, nose, eyes, tip of the head. Just relax each and every body part. Now slowly shake your feet, shake your arms. Now, since we are going to do 15 minutes. Oh, I realized I got disconnected. I don't know when I got disconnected. Just now? Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. I don't know when I got disconnected. Sorry.
Yes, we can.
Okay, it got disconnected just now or my long? Okay. So we are doing some stretching. Now for this Vaikadasana, keep your arm parallel to your shoulder. Bend your knees. Inhale. Exhale your knee towards left side, head right side. And hold 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Center, knee right side, head left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will do second variation. So keep your knee hip distance apart. Inhale. Your knee towards left side, head right. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come to center and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Center. Now third variation we will do. Stretch both feet. Now take your right foot up. Take it to the outer side of left knee. And with your left hand, press your right knee towards the mat. But you will not raise your shoulder. With your shoulder, right shoulder on the mat, hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Opposite side, raise your left foot up. Bring it to the outside of your right foot. And bend your right knee with your right hand towards right side. So your left shoulder will be on the mat. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and relax. Now slowly transition to the sitting posture. Is it lot of disturbance today in the network? I did not realize how many times I disconnected. Okay. So now keep your eyes closed. Sit in any comfortable position. You can sit by taking the support of your wall if it helps you to maintain the same posture, or sit on the chair. Just focus on keeping your spine erect, your palm on your knee, eyes closed. Just take 2 deep normal breath in and out. So since today we have some new people, so I will explain a little bit about breathing, but those who know, don't open your eyes, keep your eyes closed. Others, if they wish, they can see. So maybe we will do many type of breathing, 5, 6 breathing. So first one is called bellow breathing or Bhastrika. So for this, what we do, just bend your elbow, place on the side of your chest. And you will do forceful inhalation and exhalation. When I will say in, you will do like this. Open your fist. When I say out, close your fist like this. So we will do 10 round 3 times with small break. So everybody take your position, bend your elbow, Get ready. First round of Bhastrika. In, one. In, out. In, out. In, six. In, seven. In, eight. In, nine. In, 10. And relax. So, now place your palm on your knee. Just do 2 normal breath in and out. Now get ready for the second round of Bhastrika. Your palm on the side of your chest. In, one. Six, in, seven, in, eight, in, nine, in, and 10. And relax. Just normalize your breath. Now get ready for the third and last round of Bhastrika or bellow breathing. Take your position, bend your elbow, place them side of your chest. In, out, 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 in, and relax. Focus. If you can continue, your eyes remain closed. You open your eyes only if you are not sure about instruction. Otherwise, just feel the vibration, feel the sensation on your head. If you find problem by sitting in one posture, you can always shake your foot with closed eyes. Now get ready for second breathing, which is called frontal brain cleansing or Kapalbhati. In yoga, this is not only considered as a breathing, but as a cleansing exercise. It cleanses your lungs. So for this, for those who are new or not aware, here in this breathing, we just focus on forceful exhalation. Inhalation will be passive. Other can start. We will do for 3 minutes or around 150 stroke. But if somebody new, I will just show you. Just your mouth closed from your nose. You will do 1 stroke in 1 second. And just to check if you are doing correctly, place your palm on your tummy. So when you exhale, your tummy should go inside. So if it is going like this, you are doing correctly. So we will do 150 stroke. After every 15-20 stroke, you can take a break, you can relax and start again. If somebody has a problem, high blood pressure, do it slowly. If you don't feel comfortable, take a break. It will not harm you, but you do it slowly so that your pressure doesn't increase, blood pressure. Let's start. And while exhaling, your focus should be on eyebrow center with closed eyes. Continue doing. I'm just coming. Continue doing. Continue 50 more stroke. But if somebody feel heaviness in head, just take a break. Do normal breath. Because if you're not used to of this breathing, you may feel little bit heaviness in your head because your lungs is doing more work, more pumping. And relax. Eyes will remain closed. Feel the vibration, feel the sensation in your head, in your whole body. With closed eyes, get ready for next round of breathing, which is called alternate nostril breathing. So all of you know, for those new one, maybe first or two times I will just give instruction. First two time I will give instruction, then last three time we will do ourselves. What you do, alternate nostril breathings. That means at one time, let me close my door. That means at one time we will breathe only with one nostril. That is why it is called alternate nostril breathing. So close your right nostril with your right thumb and very slowly inhale with left nostril. I will count 1 to 5. So your breathing should be slow up to 1 to 5. Inhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After full inhalation, close your left nostril. Exhale with right nostril very slowly 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now inhale with same right nostril. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close your right nostril. Exhale with left slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this was one round. Now let's do for second round. Close your right nostril. Inhale with left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close your left. Exhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale with right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale with left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With this, we are done with second round. The next 3 round you all do together. You can change the your hand right or left if you feel pain in one hand. Let's start. Always start inhale with left. Now last is humming bee. Close your eyes, plug your ear, 3 round, you all know this. Inhale. When exhale, produce the sound of bee so that you feel vibration in your head. Rub your palm. Place your eyeballs. Shake your feet. Roll your shoulder. And slowly open your eyes. And thank you so much for today's practice. Namaskar.